Amen?
Amen.
Ang sakit. Yung kaibigan nyo, yung kasama nyo, yung pamilya nyo. Kasi okay lang magkaaway kayo. Kasi magkaaway kayo, life goes on. But what if the one who caused you pain is the one person whom you have treasured the most? And that is why it is painful to move on. This is what faith does. It allows us to trust in how God's grace, how God's power can transform our whole selves to opening to His mercy. Because we cannot do it on our own. We cannot do it with our own efforts. We cannot do it with our own merits. We have to simply believe in God, to trust that it is through God's mercy that we live. And that is why Jesus tells us, if you have the faith the size of a mustard seed, you could say to this tree, be uprooted, move, planted. Faith starts in this, in small things. The smallest of all the things that we see and we live in life. It cannot be seen. It cannot be touched. It is so small, but it grows big. It grows huge. And it gives effect if we live it. Faith doesn't have to be great in quantity. Faith has to be lived in quality. Kasi, of course, we talk about the quantity of people here. But what about the quality of faith that we live daily? The authentic faith, the forgiving faith, the trusting faith, the powerful faith that can move, that can change, that can transform. That is the faith that we seek. That is the faith that we ask the Lord. That it starts small, hidden, quiet. How many times na we have neglected itong mga bagay ito sa buhay natin? How? Faith starts small. I think, for instance, if you could remember when you arrived dito sa Europe, you had nothing. You knew no one. Lahat. You started from scratch. At ano nangyari sa inyo ngayon? Mga dunya na kayo.